guys here in the camp
yung wish nyo.
house. Wish that we have a good luck
Pag nakakita ka,
New Year's
Diba, puro siya
resolution.
pag apat swerte.
Apat na nga ganun.
Yes, this is the mushroom, the only one in the camp area. Okay, look.
Ay, nakakatuwa.
Ooh, very cute.
Uy, maghanap pa tayo ng ibang ano tayo. Mushroom, baka meron pa. Pwede yun.
Okay, search a mushroom. So we are in the camp area, guys. So we have a
Picturean mo ako, Nori.
sandali lang. We have a neighborhood over here. They are rich guys. Some American here. Look, they have a van very big.
Uber.
Look, they have
Ginagamit
Uber.
ko yun.
Yes, they have a truck. Wow, mini truck.
Yan yung ano nyo.
Mini truck, guys. I hope in my life I can have one like this. Wow, there is someone is cleaning there. So this is the truck here, the camp area. So we are getting this area here. It's empty. Hope there is no animal, small animal to bite us in the night. So we are preparing now. Look, our coordinator here. Say something, please. You are the founder.
Hello.
She's the founder of the camp.
Don't forget to share and
Like, subscribe.
The
What's your channel, please?
Yols Romero Vlog.
Okay, subscribe her channel.
Thank
She is
you.
the blogger and we are in the camp of ano to camp?
Camping in Asila.
Asila, camping zone Asila. Inside Asila, guys.
Saan tayo? Kailangan yung atin nakasentro. kasi
Thanks for
maganda.
watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe. Aloha Wonder TV. 24 December 2022. So we are ready for our camp.
Tayo, sige.
Thank you, guys.